Hello guys! Is your Sonos Era 100 not working right, or you want to connect it with a Sonos application? Today I will show you how to restart your device. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we need to plug out the cable to do the restart. Then we need to take our speaker and find this Bluetooth button right here. And then we need to hold it. While we hold this button, we need to plug in the power of source. Let's do it. So we hold this button and then we need to plug in the cable. And now you can see on the front indicator is blinking by white. When it starts blinking by orange, that means we can stop holding the button, and now we wait until the indicator turns green. And now your speaker is successfully restarted. Now, after we successfully restarted our device, the next step is connecting your device to the Sonos application on your phone. Unfortunately, if you won't do it, your device will just not work. It will continue to blink by green on this indicator, and you can't turn it into Wi-Fi mode or Bluetooth mode to connect it to your phone. If you don't know how to connect your device to the Sonos application, you can check out the video in our channel. The link will be in the right corner. That was all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.